Hello. My name is Barbara if you don't know me. If you do want to know me, subscribe for more because I'll be posting more videos in the future. If you haven't watched my last videos, they'll be up there. And yeah, today this video is gonna be different, very different. By the way, update, I have a new piercing. This one. That's an update for you. And yeah, it's been long since I last posted. I'm actually finishing editing my birthday vlog, and it's already November. I know my birthday was in August, I know, but I'll be posting that either this week, sometime this week, I think tomorrow, which is Monday. Today's Sunday. So let me explain what's up. This week I don't have classes because it's the dissertation week in my school, and so we won't be having classes. And I have two things that I wanted to do. First thing is school related, which is a work that I have to hand in on Tuesday, which is on the first week that I'm back. Next week, I mean, on Tuesday. And the other thing I wanted to do is I wanted to first, hear me out. I wanted to color my hair. I've never done this before. I've never done this before. I think the only crazy things I did to my hair when I was young, I had my hair how do I say it? My hair was straightened. And also recently, a few days after I took out my birthday wig, I straightened my hair with a flat iron for the first time. The hair looked good, but yeah, I was scared of burning my hair or something. I know it was the first time I was already scared of it, but okay. So I just thought about coloring my hair ginger or caramel or something light. So in the start of this year, I made a vision board. If you haven't watched that video, it will be up there. And in my vision board, I added, sorry for my voice as well, I'm getting kind of sick. So on my vision board, I put the picture of a girl with this hair. I didn't even think much about it. I just like the vibe of it. I mean, I've always wanted to color my hair, but it wasn't a deep thought. It wasn't something that I thought about 24/7. But now I'm just I want to do it, but I'm so scared. But I'm always thinking about it. I'm always thinking about it. I'm just watching videos on how to do it. Yes, I'm going to do it by myself. I'll be fine. I know I'll be fine. I put the picture on my vision board, but now I thought about coloring my hair, but then I saw my vision board and I was wait, this is the color that I want to do. And I didn't put the picture there just because of the hair. I just put the vibe itself of the picture, and I guess I'm trying to embody that in some way, but it's been on my mind 24/7. And also I want to make a video about my vision board. I might make it this year or next year. I mean, the year is about to end, but I just want to talk about my vision board and how a few things happened. No, but okay, that's another video. So I have braids in my hair. Yeah, it's time to go. As you can see, they're all grown out. It's all dirty and I need to wash it and all that. Some people say that when you're bleaching your hair, which is what I'm gonna do as well, I need to bleach my hair. Some people say that when you bleach your hair, it's better to do it while it's dirty or while you have oil in it. I don't know if it's true completely because some people say that it's just a myth, but I'm gonna try it either way. So my hair is dirty. I'm going to be unbraiding it today. I was going to do it tomorrow, but now I'm going to do it today. After that, I think I might bleach it tomorrow if I don't know. I just have a lot of things to do, school related. I can't lie, I haven't decided fully yet, but I'm more inclined to yes. The thing is, I really love my dark hair. I really do. I don't know why I'm thinking about coloring it, but I feel I need some kind of change. Even with my piercing, I was I want a new piercing, so let me go get it. It was very impulsive. It was impulsive. But oh my gosh, I feel if I don't do it now, I won't ever do it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos on my channel, subscribe because I'll be posting more. Hi, I'm gonna start now. I can't even see where my hair is, so for safety measures, I'm just gonna cut a little. Probably not this much, but okay. No turning back now. Okay. This is what we're working with. I'm not going to be dyeing my hair today. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi there. So it's the next day. Not gonna lie, like I just had a mental breakdown thinking about it because I was like, am I really gonna color my hair? Because I look good with dark hair. Now just like so scared, you can't even say with me, I love myself so much. I am loved and I am loved. Say it. But okay. So yeah, I am gonna color my hair today. Hopefully. I just ate. I'm gonna prepare myself to go to the gym. And yeah, I'm gonna go see the colors as well. This is probably the last time I see myself with this hair, and like it looks so horrible because I just unbraided it, but like, okay, we're going crazy for once. Let's do this. Like, as I was saying, I'm literally scared. I had a mental breakdown about this, and I was like, why having a mental breakdown over the hair? Because it's just hair. That's what everyone is telling me. It's just hair. It will grow again. You can cut it. Girl, I will look like a boy if I cut it. And I don't mind looking like a boy because I usually do look like a boy. But I don't know, just the fact that I'm cutting my hair. I mean, I'm a Leo. You have to understand. But okay, let me just get ready. And also tell me why this morning I woke up like at 7, but then fell asleep again. Part I've been dreading most. It's time to start. I have everything here. Let's see how this goes. There's also a mirror there, so I can see from the back. I need to section my hair in 4 parts. I'm not a professional, by the way, so this is not a tutorial. This is just me being crazy. This is crazy, I swear. Bye to this hair. Okay, I need to do a patch test first, just in case anything happens to my hair. Let me just do that now. A mixture. There's a... I don't know. Okay. Is this small? It's small. Okay, don't let it fall. Don't worry. Oh God. I'm just gonna do little by little because I'm scared of it being a lot, and plus this container is small, so this is so pretty. I'm just doing a little so I can see how long it takes for it to start reacting. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Starting to get lighter. I know y'all can see, like the curl pattern is already changing. Can you see this? What curl pattern is this? It's changing. Okay. Guys, this is gonna be my new look. I actually like this color, so I might just leave it this way. and not color anything besides this. Okay, now we're excited. Let's do the rest of my head. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I look crazy. Last minute decision. I'm going to buy the color now. This is how it turned out. I mean, when I took out the bleach, it got like this color, which was expected, but with the bleach it looked like it would be like more caramel, more towards the color that I wanted. But yeah, it's not. So I'm gonna buy it. I look like a little clown, but trust the process. It's not bad, just not for me. I feel like if I were to stay like blonde, I'd have to like tone it in order for it to be like the same. I don't know. I look crazy. We're deciding which one should we go for. I'm indecisive when it comes to the color, so like she told me to trust the process, so I'm gonna trust the process.
Hajira. Oh, thank you.
You decided on the color? I'm talking. Decided on the color. Let's see how it goes. Hi, I'm home. Actually digging this color though, but I'm going to start coloring my hair, and I have much battery on my phone, so I don't think I'll be able to film everything. But yeah, what this color? But is this supposed to be like this? White? It looks copper, but it's not. It's supposed to be light blonde, but even if it looks like this, I'll like it. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow because I still have to wash this out. I'm waiting for the timer to go off, and yeah, we'll see how it looks. Hi! So, this is the final look. This is crazy. Like, it's crazy. Like, okay, so this is how it looks. I did a braid out yesterday, and yeah, this is the final result. It's funny because when I went to the mall, I decided to buy like blonde instead of ginger because I was scared of ginger not looking good on me. So I was like, okay, let me buy a light blonde, a light-ish blonde that would kind of look dark. Like, it would be lighter than my actual scalp, but it would be lighter, but it'd still be dark, but it was blonde. Like, I wanted a neutral blonde, that's what I wanted to say. So I bought that color, but I think since I had bleached my hair once and it was still kind of orangey yellowish, it turned out to be ginger. Did I manifest this in a way? I think I did, because I wanted ginger for so long, and even though last minute I decided to change my idea on it, it ended up being ginger, which is crazy when you think of it, but like, I already like it. I mean, I woke up like and braiding my hair like, oh my gosh, this is so different. And I was just looking at myself in the mirror while I was unbraiding. I was like, okay, so this is different. But then like I went to the bathroom and like I went out, I like basically I stayed a few minutes without seeing myself, and then when I saw myself again, when the hairstyle was already done, I was like, okay girl, you look good. This was kind of a messy video, kind of complicated. I was so indecisive yesterday in the mall. Like, I literally took so long to decide on the color that I wanted to do. And it's funny that I bought light blonde and it ended up being ginger. So yeah, I guess this is me turning my hair ginger. This is me coloring my hair for the first time, coloring it by myself for the first time, and a lot of damage was made, but I still feel like it looks good. It didn't fall off, which is good. That's good. One thing I've noticed when I was washing my hair yesterday is that it was easier to wash my hair. My hair was like low porosity before, but yesterday was just like so easy, and like I put conditioner on it, and when I was tangling, the comb would just pass through my hair, and I was like, what is this? There was no knots. I don't know if that's normal, but it's what I've noticed. Like I took minutes washing my hair, while I usually just take hours and hours just trying to detangle my whole head. But it was so easy. I don't know if it's also because when I was coloring the hair, I was detangling it at the same time. Like a few times I would pass the comb, but I don't like. And also another thing I noticed is that it does need a lot of product. That is true. I mean, more than before, because before I just add like a dime, like a little thing of product, and it would be enough for my hair. But yesterday I was just like packing that in my hair, like okay. And yeah, besides that, I didn't notice any other damage. I mean, it looks good. I think it's drier than usual, but I think it's because of the leave-in conditioner. But yeah, I really like it. I really like how it looks. I like the results. I really do. Like, if I want, I could just color it back, but I didn't have that mentality before, and now like I want to try more colors. Okay girl, I just started and need to be calm. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more content from me, more pictures, more reels, more TikToks and all that, follow me on other socials. It's Barbara_CHP everything. And also there's Pinterest. I post there sometimes, but I want to post more there because I really like Pinterest actually. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for watching my videos as well. I hope you enjoyed this kind of a complicated video, and I look so different. I'm not used to seeing myself like this, but I think I look good. Otherwise I wouldn't finish this video. I'd be like a month later, like, okay, I colored my hair black again. But okay, this is me.
Curious butterflies.
Bye. Love you. Thank you. Bye.